fault tree analysis starts with the undesired event at the top of a tree and works backwards, mapping every way it could have occurred. Each branch connects with logic gates. AND gates mean all conditions must be present. OR gates mean any single condition is enough to cause the failure. You keep branching until you reach basic events, specific root-level causes you can actually investigate and change. FTA is standard practice in aerospace and nuclear industries, but it's equally valuable in manufacturing, healthcare, and logistics. Here's a real example. An automated vehicle gate at a warehouse failed to open for authorized vehicles. Top event: gate fails to open. Branch 1, software fault. Branch 2, sensor failure. Branch 3, power supply issue. Following the sensor branch revealed a specific sensor model that degraded in cold weather. The fault tree guided engineers directly to the physical cause in under 2 hours, with no trial and error. When the failure space is complex, FTA gives you a map.